The Bramble is a modern classic cocktail created in the 1980s that combines the tartness of lemon with the sweetness of blackberry liqueur, balanced by gin. It's a refreshing and visually striking drink perfect for spring and summer. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces gin. A London dry gin works best for its botanical complexity. 1 ounce fresh lemon juice. Freshly squeezed is preferred for optimal flavor. Half an ounce simple syrup. You can make this by dissolving equal parts sugar and water. Half an ounce crème de mûre, blackberry liqueur. This gives the drink its distinctive berry flavor. Garnish fresh blackberry. Adds a visually appealing touch and a burst of flavor. Garnish lemon slice or twist. Enhances the citrus aroma and look of the drink. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, crushed ice, old-fashioned glass, rocks glass, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Add the gin, fresh lemon juice, and simple syrup to the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled. Fill an old-fashioned glass with crushed ice. Strain the mixture into the glass over the crushed ice. Slowly pour the crème de mûre over the top of the drink so it drizzles through the ice. Garnish with a fresh blackberry and a lemon slice or twist. The Bramble was created by legendary bartender Dick Bradsell in London in the 1980s. It's often celebrated as one of the best examples of modern cocktail innovation.